Hey there, Ben Lipper here. The brand new Vex IQ game just came out, and what do you think? This game is totally unique. We've got two teams. We got a red team and a blue team this year for the first time in years. We've got game pieces that actually stack and nest together. We've got two different kinds of game pieces. We got these beams, we've got these pins. This game is going to be totally unique and totally new. So what I'm doing is I'm calling a, quote, emergency meeting this Wednesday. I want to tell you guys a little bit about, I've been doing a ton of testing. I want to show you a little bit about what that is. I want to go through the rules with you. I want to cover exactly what you need to know in order to get started this season on the right track. So this Wednesday, there's a link underneath this video. Go ahead and click it, or maybe it's off to the side. But go ahead and click that. Get yourself signed up. It'll just ask for your email address, though I can actually send you the Zoom link. We're having a quick meeting. We're going to talk about exactly how to get your team on track for success this year, because this year is totally new and totally unique. So I'm really excited for that. Just a few kind of quick takeaways I've gotten from reading the rules. I'm building some robots. I've actually got some robots I haven't posted yet that I want to share with you guys at the meeting also. So just some takeaways I've gotten from that and reading the rules and kind of figuring out doing game simulations. The first thing is, this game, the beams are worth a lot. So you've got the two game pieces, right? You have the pins and the beams. Stacking is obviously critical. If you don't stack, you can't score any points. But the beams are useful. They're not that useful, though, which is really interesting. I think that, especially at the lower level and kind of mid-tier teams, we're going to see a lot of stacks of pegs kind of going up. We're probably not going to see a ton of stacks with beams just because they're much harder to get into a stack than, say, the pegs are. Another thing that you'll notice is that colors are super important. If you're making a beam stack, a stack that has beams in it, you'll need 2 pins of different colors and then a beam. If you're doing just pins, it doesn't make sense to make any more than a 3 stack, right? You make a 3 stack of pins. At most levels of play, there's no point in making a 4 or 5 stack. 3 stack is all you need, but they have to be different colors. That's critical. That way you get the 15-point bonus. If you don't get the different colors, say you miss one color, you only have a 2-color stack, that's going to be only 5 points. You'll literally lose 10 points for not having the right color. And then if you have a uniform stack, so you just grab the orange pins from the middle of the field, and now you've gotten yourself a 3-point stack instead of what could have been an 18-point stack. So that's super critical. Additionally, unless you have a beam in your stack, scoring your stacks is going to be so important. Basically, you get 18 points if you build, say, a 3 stack with 3 different colors in it. If you take that 3 stack and put it in a corner, it's going to increase that score by over 50%. You're now going to have 28 points for a single stack. You can make 3 of those stacks, and that's worth more than this triple beam stack that they show in the animation. Now, obviously, if you were to score this on top of the standoff, then that's worth some more points. But until that happens, the whole point is that just making these 3 stacks might be a lot easier than trying to make this big fancy thing, and they can be worth just as many, if not more points, as long as you put them in the right scoring locations. So I know that was a lot. There is so much more that I want to talk about with you guys. I just don't have time to put it in this video. So make sure you sign up. This Wednesday, we're going to have an awesome meeting. I am going to record it. So if you can't make it on Wednesday, go ahead and sign up anyway. I'll send you a link to the recording. It's that valuable. I know this is going to totally change how your team does robots this year. It's totally free, totally on me. So don't worry about paying for it. But I want to make sure that you have it. So sign up anyway. I will send you a replay. But realistically, come there live, because I look at the stats on the replay and almost nobody watches the replays. Everyone, basically the people who get the most value out of it actually are there watching it live. So make sure you're there live Wednesday night. If you can't make it, sign up anyway. I'll send you the replay. As always, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you as we discuss how to play Vex IQ Mix and Match.